Hey guys, today I'm going to be packing up one of our biggest orders. This order is from Suzanne, so thank you so much. They ordered red velvet cookie dough, love batter, cotton candy cone, cotton candy lemonade, love potion cake, dreamland skies, strawberry milk, butterfly blossom, panda tea float, bear bubblegum milk, fairy frosting, cookies and cream, lucky charms, midnight berries, pixie potion float, gummy pop gloss, and blue raspberry lemonade. First up, we made up the box and put the slimes in, along with some packing peanuts to make sure they don't get hurt in the post, along with 2 extra slimes as a thank you. We then added the extra bags with the activator, added a thank you card and sealed it up. Thank you so much, Suzanne.